Hello children, today we are going to do some textual exercises of the lesson Ice Cream Man. The first task is list as many summer activities as you can. So every year during the summer season we do many special things. What are they? You guess? I know. You can tell me a lot of things that we do during the summer vacation. So let us check. I have written a few of them. Just check whether you also have thought of them or not. Okay. What is the first one? We go for swimming. We all know during the summer season we go for swimming. We specially take training in swimming. Swimming is most healthy and it keeps us cool from the hot summer. Next one, we visit our grandparents or relatives. It is during the summer season only. We visit our grandparents or even some other relatives also. Next, we go on tours, especially to summer holiday spots. So we plan tours We plan tours, especially summer holiday spots. We select those stations which are very cool so that we can escape from the hot summer season. Next, we go to resorts. You can see in the picture, the boy is at the resort only. There we can have different kinds of swimming pools, this, that. We can different kinds of games, activities, water games, and all such things. Next, we go to pilgrimages. Pilgrimages are the holy places, the journey. I mean, when we travel to holy places like Tirupati, like Makkah, these are all holy places where we go with a lot of devotion. So, when we go on such trips to any holy stations are called pilgrimages. We go to pilgrimages and we learn dance. We learn dance, music, calligraphy, karate, and a few other whatever we want. Because it is during summer we get some time to work out on our hobbies or interests. And what else you do? We enjoy the cool shades of trees. Prefer we prefer cool shades of trees because under the trees we can have some cool shade. We can enjoy some cool shade in the hot summer. And yes, we enjoy eating ice creams or having cold drinks also. So these are the different activities that we do during the summer vacation. Uh, Circle the words where you get a Z sound. One is done for you. First one, honeybees. We don't read it as honeybees, but we should say honeybees. What is the last sound? Z, honeybees. Like that. What are the other words in the list? What are the other words in the list that has that have a Z sound at the end? Price. Price. What sound it is producing? Sa. Shall we circle it? No. So which words we should circle? Only the words that are having z sound in them. What is the next word? Prize. 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 We don't say price. Prize. And maze. So here it is za. So we can circle it. No? Uh, so we have written here specially honeybees, prize, then maze. So what all we can circle here? We can circle prize, maze. You know, children, what is a maze? Maze is a puzzle-like paths. We can find a puzzle-like path. We'll get confused to go inside and to come out of the maze. Then, what is the next word? Face. Face. Which sound it is producing? Sir. So, no need of circling it. Then, RICE. What is it? Yes, rice. This is also sa. The next word, rise. So, za sound it is coming. So, we need to circle it. See how beautifully I am drawing circles? You should also draw like that. Are they really beautiful? No. They are in different shapes of different countries on the world map. Next word, BLAZE, blaze, za, blaze. Let us circle it. And blaze, you know, fire or flame. And the next, fizz, frosty fizz. We learnt in the poem. Lazy, za. Again, it is having za sound. This is lacy. Lacy, lacy. What is the meaning of the word lazy? You find out in dictionary and tell me when we meet again. Next, busy. Yes. Circle. Children, is it right to circle lazy? No. Why? Because it is having sa sound, not za sound. Next, racy. This is also sa. Raise, raise. Yes, raise. Circle it. This is race. No circle, no circle. This is also race. These are sun shining rays. This is a race. When we run races, no? And this is ace. Ace means to top in a test or in an exam, whatever. Acing, topping others. Chase, yes. Za sound is there. So circle it. This, sa, no. These, we don't read it as these, we read it as these. So za, circle it. Next, frosty. This is also frosty. It is not frosty, frosty, frosty. No, no circling. So these are the words, children. Okay. So what are those words? Honeybees, prize, maze, rise, blaze, fizz, lazy, busy, raise, chase, these. You should also practice reading aloud at home. Okay, right. Let's move on to the next. Yeah, color the boxes that having rhyming words. You know what are the rhyming words? When we read words, the last consonant, vowel and consonant sound. We must consider the vowel, we must consider the vowel and consonant sound. For example, city, city. So the last sound of this word is et. Then another word, cart. What is the last sound? Art. Et, art. Are they same? No, they are not same. Then heat. What is the last sound? Heat. Eat. It's giving the sound of eat. Second word, street. This is also giving the sound of eat. So heat and street, these two words can be called rhyming words. What do we call them? Rhyming words. Why? Because they're having uh, the same sound at the end. They're ending in the same sound. So what we must do? We must color the box. Yes. Next. Blows, goes. Blows, goes. Blows, os. Goes, os. Colored. Do, go. We don't say go. We say go. Do, do, go, go. Do. Last sound, o. Go. Last sound, o. U, o. Not the same sound. We cannot color it. Next. Hard, yard. Hard. Last sound, hard. Yard. This is also hard. So color it. Next. Bowl, doll. Bowl. What is the last sound? Just notice bowl. Owl, owl. But the second word, doll. The sound is all. Owl sound is different from all. So can we call them as rhyming words? No. Next. Cow. Ow. Then so. Oh. Also not. Label, table. Don't see the spelling. Just focus on the pronunciation, the sound, last sound of the first word, label, bell, L, table. Both are. So let us color the box. Next, sky, my. What is the last word? Last sound, sky, I. In my, also I. And the next, play, obey. What is the last sound in play? A. What is the last sound in obey? A. So both are rhyming sounds only. So we are coloring the rhyming sound boxes. Race, face. Both the words are ending in the same sound as. So these two are also rhyming words. Next, right and night. Right. What is the last sound? It. Night also. Right. So this. What do the following words describe in the poem? Joyful. In the poem, we have words joyful, little, round. So in the poem, this word joyful, what is it describing? It is describing sight. It's a joyful sight to see the ice cream man filling cone, filling ice cream into the cone. So joyful sight. So the word joyful is here describing the sight. How is that sight? It is joyful. Then little. Do you remember? The word little is used to describe what? Cart. What is that? Cart. And round. Do you remember? Umbrella. Next. What are the describing words used in the poem for the following? Mounts. Which words are used in the poem to describe mounts? Cooling, brown, white. All the three words describing mounts. And flavors, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. These are the different flavors that appeared in the poem. Cluster. How is that cluster? Round. So, we have seen describing words from the poem. These describing words are nothing but adjectives. What they do? They qualify or they modify the meaning of a noun. They always come before a noun. Describing words. You can see in the poem, cart is the noun, before that little. Sight is the noun, before that joyful. Then round is an adjective and it is describing umbrella. How is umbrella? Round. Then mounds. Which mounds they are? Cooling, brown and white. Next, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. What do they refer to? Flavors. Next, cluster. How is the cluster? Round. Cluster is round. So round is adjective here, but cluster is the noun. Understood? Right. What are they? Describing words or adjectives. So, have you ever eaten kulfi, the ice cream from North India? Kulfi ice cream. So here we are going to have some sentences that describe how that kulfi is served. If you go to that kulfi man, how that kulfi is served to you. Sentences are given but not in the proper order. So all that you need to do to put them in the proper order. See, these are uh, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. How many sentences are given? 4 are there. But they are not in the proper order. Now we need to set them in the proper order. First sentence, he scoops out the kulfi on plate. Children, notice here the sentence has begun with he, which is a pronoun. And all these 4 sentences come under one paragraph. And in a paragraph, noun should come first, then it referring pronoun. So, first sentence cannot be the first sentence in our order. Then he pours some sweet. Then means after something. So, this is also not the first sentence. The kulfi wala takes the kulfi mold out of the pitcher. Okay, it sounds good. It may be the first one, but let us see the last sentence also. He arranges some. Again, here it has started with he means a pronoun. So the kulfi wala is a noun. So this can be our first sentence. What is that? The kulfi wala takes the kulfi mold out of the pitcher. Here, pictures are also mismatching, children. Kulfi wala takes up the kulfi mold out of the picture. Among these 4 pictures, in which picture the kulfi wala is taking out the mold, kulfi mold? Yes, here you can see. Next. So first he takes out the kulfi mold. Then what he does? He scoops out the kulfi on a plate. So whatever the kulfi he takes out from the pitcher, first he should uh, put it in a plate. No, so this can be the second one. So scooping, in ice creams the scoop, and here it is. Yes. Now third one. See, remaining two are there. Then he pours some sweet syrup over it and serves it. So this is the clue. And serves it. This is serving. Last stage of the process. So this can be the third one, and this can be the fourth one. Third one, he arranges some faluda around it. See, this itself. This is also same. So order. The kulfi wala takes the kulfi mold out of the picture. He scoops out the kulfi on a plate. He arranges some faluda around it. Then he pours some sweet syrup over it and serves it. That's all the four steps which are included in serving kulfi.